New Brighton Ford. Quality selection, exceptional customer service, and a great price, too. Let the friendly professionals at New Brighton Ford help you get into your next vehicle today.
Thrill seekers, this one's for you. The affordable Ford Fiesta is fun to drive, easy to handle, and packed with features. With a Fiesta, getting there is its own kind of fun. Choose from 3 models in sedan or hatchback body styles, or step up to the ST hatch. Squeezing every last mile from a gallon of gas is Fiesta's strong point. You won't sacrifice performance. 3 fuel-sipping engines are available, and 2 of them are turbocharged. Fiesta's technology is equally amazing. With features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, available voice-activated sync keeps you connected. There's also an available audio system from Sony with HD radio technology and Sirius XM satellite radio. And the 60/40 split folding rear seat adapts passenger space to cargo room as needed for gear and groceries. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and accessories and build a Fiesta that's all yours. The Ford Fiesta. It's the fun little car.
At New Brighton Ford, you'll never pay too much, and we'll do everything we can to make sure you drive away in the vehicle that's right for you. If it's service, selection, and value you're after, then New Brighton Ford is the place to shop. Stop in today. We're easy to find at the intersection of Highway 694 and Silver Lake Road in New Brighton. It's where our customers send their family and friends.